Our grid is over 100 years old. Power outages caused by inclement weather, rolling blackouts, natural disasters, and attacks on the grid can wreak havoc on our lives and work. 15 million U.S. homes and businesses experience weather-related power outages each year for at least an hour, and often far longer. Having reliable power has never been more important. Whether you need to keep refrigerators and sump pumps running at home, or to power electronic devices for work, being without power can quickly move from inconvenience to crisis. In an uncertain world, you can depend on the power and capacity of the Soul-Dunham Vulcan system. You can rely on a scalable and portable solution to meet your energy needs. And you can revel in the strength of a system that, while being tough, also protects your most sensitive electronics. Now is the time to get your energy system for life. Soul-Dunham's Vulcan, the safest, most powerful portable energy system for your home or business. Our American-designed and manufactured energy system provides you with clean energy storage and generation to give you peace of mind, maintain normalcy during power outages, and protect your loved ones. The Vulcan outputs 2,000 watts of filtered 120 volts AC from grid power, solar panels, or other DC sources. During an outage, our system automatically and immediately provides you with prolonged backup power for appliances and critical electronics, without the need for dangerous and noisy fossil fuel generators. A 5 kilowatt-hour Vulcan system can run your combined home loads such as a refrigerator, television, lights, and computer for a day and a half on a single charge. You can easily add more energy stores for unlimited storage potential and self-reliance off-grid. Unlike most portable systems that need replacement after a year or two, the Vulcan system is an investment that is built to last. For energy storage, we use lithium iron phosphate, which are among the safest, longest-lasting, and most inexpensive batteries in the world. This technology is guaranteed for years of daily use and can be traded in and recycled. Unlike other home appliance-grade systems that are permanently attached to your home or business, you can easily transport the Vulcan system. Whether you are planning an outdoor event, boating or camping for a weekend, overlanding for months, or planning to live and work self-sufficiently for years, the Vulcan will meet your needs. Our easy plug-and-play system offers many convenient ways to quickly recharge on the go by incorporating AC or solar panel plugins. Our inverter charger and energy storage units are dust, moisture, weather, and corrosion resistant to operate under harsh conditions across a wide temperature range, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Using electromagnetic interference filtering, the pure sine wave AC output of our system is designed to handle even the most sensitive electronics and appliances, such as hospital equipment and precision audio electronics. Our Faraday shielding protects against RF interference and electromagnetic pulses, making this also an ideal solution for shelters and bunkers and operating critical communications gear. High output power and surge capacity, scalable and portable solution, tough and vigilant. Now is the time to get your energy system for life. Soul-Dunham's Vulcan, the safest, most powerful portable energy system for your home or business. Visit us at souldunham.com to find out more.